Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to help you through on how to log into UKG. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. For Google Chrome, so let's tap in that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's tap in UKG login and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And you'll be greeted with a login page. So all you gotta do is fill in those fields. Like that. Now username, I'm typing random words, but you make sure you tap into the official, like your actual username. And of course your password. Now if you forgot your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in this option right here. And now all you gotta do is hit that login button and you will log into your UKG account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.